Hey guys, it's Jack here. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well. I have here the Edifier TWS1 Pro True Wireless Headphones. For £50, they're a budget option, and we're going to unbox them, see how good they really are for only £50 or $50 in the US. So we'll get straight to the unboxing and see what you get inside. So when it comes to unboxing the Edifier headphones, you can see we get a nice clean box with a picture of the headphones slap bang in the middle. They come in 3 different colors. This is the dark gray model. They also do an ivory along with pink, so you can get something to match your tastes. In the bottom left, we get some of the key specs of the headphones. So the ability for roll swapping, the 12-hour battery life for the buds themselves, along with a further 30 hours in the case. So really impressive battery life. The IP65 dust and waterproofing, the latest Bluetooth 5.2 connectivity, and then quick charging for the buds and case, and then a comfortable fit. Well, hopefully a comfortable fit. We'll have to see how well they do in my ears, and it will just depend on your own ears how well they do fit. We go ahead and slide off the sleeve, lift up the case here, and we're presented with the headphones. So they are wrapped in plastic, not totally necessary in 2021, so could remove that edifier. But there is the case. We'll go ahead and put that off to the side for just a second. Take a look at what else we get in the box. So underneath we get some paperwork, just some information on how to use the headphones, and then warning guides. Go ahead and put that off. And then we get a Type-C to Type-A charger. So it is great, they have Type-C. You can use a phone charger or laptop charger if you have that as well. We get 2 sets of ear tips here. They will have the mediums pre-installed, so you get a large and small to fit your ears. And then we just get some silica gel in the bottom there. So put that off to the side, bring back the headphones. So you can see nice clean color. This is a dark gray. You have a little divot there to get your thumb in and open the case up. On the top, a nice gold Edifier logo. On the back, we have that Type-C port. And then on the bottom, we have some warnings and information there about the headphones. So if we go ahead and open them up, there are headphones themselves. So again, matching color, nice dark gray with then some gold accents on the outside there, along with the right and left markings. So you can see we've got the 2 contact points on the inside there to charge from the case, the interchangeable ear tips that go into your ear, and then the touch controls on the outside here, and then a little LED there, and then that is it. That's pretty much it. So we'll go ahead and change view, take a look at how they sound. So now that we've unboxed the Edifier headphones, let's run over some of the key features of them. So they're packing the Qualcomm chip, and this provides a number of features. The first one being the aptX adaptive technology. What this means is you're going to get high quality sound coming through with a low latency. So very important if you're playing games or watching videos, if you've ever had headphones where you press play and the audio is out of sync, that's because of the latency between the headphones and the device you're watching on. So with this Qualcomm chip, you're going to get good sync up between the audio coming out of the device and what you're seeing on the screen. So with that Qualcomm chip, you are going to get a good sound quality and that low latency. That Qualcomm chip also provides true wireless mirroring technology. So what that means, if you put one headphone in and then you start listening to some music, and you take the other headphone out and put it in, it's going to connect automatically and play through both. Similarly, if you take one out and put it back in the case, it will disconnect and just play music through that one. You won't get any random shutoffs or both disconnecting at the same time. So that is the benefit of having that Qualcomm chip in there. The last benefit of that Qualcomm chip is the noise cancellation when using the microphone. So if you're on a voice call, you're going to get that crisp, clear sound. So we'll go ahead and test them out, see how well they sound with a silent background and then with some noise in there as well, see how well they can cope with blocking out that sound. This is a test of the Edifier TWS1 Pro headphones with a silent background. This is what the Edifier TWS1 Pros sound like with some crowd noise in the background. When it comes to controlling the headphones, you have the touch target on the outside of the headphones, and they support the most common actions. So tapping once to play and pause, double tap to skip forward, and triple tap to go back. And the nice thing is you can change the volume. So if you long press the right side, you can change the volume up, and long press the left hand one to change the volume down. So that's a nice feature that you don't see on many other headphones. So that's good to see, and a really useful one when you don't want to take your phone out of your pocket to change the volume. As mentioned in the unboxing, these headphones have outstanding battery life. So the earbuds themselves have a 12-hour battery life, meaning you can use them all day and you won't need to charge them. And when you do come to put them back in the case, the battery case does provide an additional 30 hours of listening time. So that gives you a total of 42 hours. So that means you can go away for the whole weekend, not have to worry about charging them, or go throughout the week, use them a couple of hours. You don't have to worry about recharging the case. It does make up for the lack of wireless charging, but as I said, for £50, you can't really knock them for not having wireless charging. Something like the new Beats Fit Pro still don't have wireless charging, and they're about 4 times the price of these Edifier headphones. When it does come to charging, you do have that Type-C on the back, so nice and universal, and it is quick charge capable, so you can gain 100% battery life in only 40 minutes of charging. The earbuds themselves take an hour and a half to charge inside the case. So nice and quick, which is good to see and makes up for the lack of wireless charging. When it comes to using the Edifier headphones, the first thing I always want to make sure with a pair of true wireless headphones is that they have a secure fit in my ear. For me personally, my left ear doesn't suit most headphones, so they keep falling out. So if I'm using, say, something like the AirPods, they will fall out. That's why I've been using the Galaxy Buds for the past 3 years. I'm glad to say with the Edifier headphones, they do stay in and have a nice secure fit. They haven't fallen out on me once yet. They are quite a tight fit down the ear canal, so if you don't like that pressure inside your ear canal, then you may want to look at something like the AirPods, but it does mean you get a nice tight fit for music, and it is secure for movement. Say if you're working out in the gym, going for a bike ride, a run, that I've been doing, then they haven't fallen out for me yet. So it will just depend on your ear shape, but for me personally, that does have a slightly wonky left ear. They stay in nice and secure. Along with that, you get an IP65 water and dust resistance rating. So what that means is you'll be able to work out with some sweat or in the rain and they won't break. Along with that, you get that dust resistance. So most headphones are only IPX certified. These are IP65. So that means the 6 is a dust rating. So they'll be able to withstand, say, sand at the beach, or if you're in a sawmill, they'll be able to withstand that and not break. So good to see they're not only resistant against water, but also dust. Now, when it comes to sound quality, this is a difficult one for me. Personally, I'm not an audiophile. I like to listen to a lot of music and watch videos with them. And in terms of that, they do have really good sound quality for £50. So when I've compared them to the Galaxy Buds and the AirPods, they have nice clear sound, some good bass in there as well, with nice mids and highs. They're similar to the Galaxy Buds. They're the 2nd gen model. So they have a similar design and shape, and that seal in there in your ear to block out a lot of the external noise without having to have noise cancellation. So similar to the Galaxy Buds. When it comes to the AirPods, they are a big step up in price, so about 3 times the price. So you can't really compare them in that sense, and you get extra features like the spatial audio that really does make it sound like the voices and music is coming from all around you. Whereas with the Edifiers, you only get the stereo effect, which is still very good. And as I said, for £50, you really can't go wrong with the sound quality from these. When it comes to reviewing the Edifier TWS1 Pros, it's a definite thumbs up from me. They're a great budget pair of headphones for only £50 or $50. You're not going to be able to really beat them for that price. You're getting some great sound with deep bass and clear mids and highs, with some great features from that Qualcomm chip. So you're getting that clear sound when you're using the microphone for voice calls, and the ability to switch in and out the earbuds and be able to sync nice and quick with that low latency is great to see. And the battery life is really incredible. So 12 hours with the earbuds themselves and a further 30 hours in the case. And when it comes to charging, the only downside is that wireless charging. But as I said, more expensive headphones don't have that ability. So it's not a big letdown. And you do have that fast charging. So 40 minutes to charge it up to 100% is great to see there. So for the headphones themselves, definite thumbs up if you're looking for a pair. I'll leave links down below if you want to check them out. They are affiliate links, so they do help out the channel. If you have any questions about the Edifier headphones, do post a comment down below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you found this video useful or enjoyable, do please hit that like button. It does help out the video and the channel. And if you're not subscribed, get subscribed over there on the right for upcoming videos. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.